Hey, what's up everybody? It's Andres and Angel here with A&A Deluxe Detail based out of Los Angeles, California. Today we are going to be discussing how we get our high-end clients. So let's get started. There's a quick tip for the detailers cleaning Teslas. You want to clean the screen without touching anything. Hit the display mode, hit screen clean mode. That locks the screen, so you're able to clean the display. Without touching any button or messing with the computer.
Where'd you learn that?
Just messing with the cars. Just been working with a lot of Teslas. Used to work at a dealership, so I know these little tricks. Yeah.
What vehicles are your favorite?
Favorite?
Older cars, new cars?
For sure, sports cars, coupes. You know, there's to me as a detailer, there's no better feeling than like working on a Lambo or a Ferrari. You know, it's like it's fun. It's not that I don't like cleaning these cars too, because this is what you gotta be able to work on these cars first before you're able to go to those. So it's not like I don't work as hard on these. That's what's up.
Do you find it hard to clean these windows because the door's open?
These windows, this is like the Olympics for detailers. This is not your average detailer. You gotta be able to hit this window, this spot right here. Hey, this Tesla's, man.
What do they call, like the X-wing?
Well, I think when the handles are together, touching together, they're the X, and then when they're separate, they're the Y. So this one, like the handles are, and I think the Ys don't open like this. They open like regular, manually.
Oh, okay.
Her thing is the kids kick this, and this is one of the things that she points out, like, hey, make sure the back of so that's one thing that we always make.
It's one of the most noticeable parts of these
and it's really noticeable too. And both sides too. Did I get this one already?
Is it because it's like a different kind of fabric, or what?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Like one little kick.
She said that she would try to clean it, but it didn't work.
Oh, it's like a plastic.
Yeah, I don't know, but
very delicate.
Quick. We know how to fix it pretty quick, so with the right chemical, bada bing, bada boom, gone. No complaints, nothing.
So what's the biggest struggle with high-end clients that new detailers don't realize?
I think the only difficult thing is just overthinking the process, because at the end of the day, they're human just like us. You know, they got blood, they talk. So just treat them normal, just go up to them, say hi to them, just have confidence, and it's not really that hard. I guess a detailer or a person would just make it hard if he's overthinking and he has no confidence into talking to that person. Yeah.
Would you say that they're picky, or Are they hard to deal with?
No, they're not really picky. You just got to make sure you do your job, you know, always do your best. And if the customer, I always ask them too, like, what's one part that you would like for us to focus on, or just make sure it's clean.
Do you think like beginner detailers, do you think they might be intimidated in cleaning a fancy car like a Lamborghini or something? Should they treat it like a regular car?
I feel that, yeah, they should just treat it like a regular car, because, you know, it is a regular car. It has leather, has wheels, has paint, you know, there's nothing really, any different element within the car. But obviously you want to make sure you don't ruin it, or don't be cleaning those cars if you don't know how to detail, because, you know, you don't want to mess up something and then it has to come out of your pocket.
Do you have any advice for someone that only wants to detail high-end clients?
Yeah, I would say still work on all the cars you possibly can first, so that first of all you know how to, and make sure you understand detailing, and then handpick your clients from there. It's possible for sure. Yeah.
So would you recommend them just only doing high clients, or?
At first, no. I would say no, because you need to stay busy and working on your craft. Yeah. So no, at first I wouldn't suggest that.
Don't focus on it.
Yeah, no, do not focus on just high-end clients at the beginning.
So how do you think they should build their way up to getting?
Working on cars like that. The standard vehicle, just get as many of those as you can. Just keep working on them, working on them, and working on them until you run into people with high-end cars.
There you guys have it. That's how we get high-end clients. Let us know if you have any advice, or in the comments below of we should have any different approach, or is it working, or maybe it's helping you out. Let us know.
If you want to continue to follow our journey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at A&A Deluxe Detail. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you have a good one.